Assalamualaikum dear students, hope all of you are fine. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Daliya Sultana, an assistant teacher on behalf of National Ideal English Version School. Today I would like to take a social science class for class 2 students. Our today's lecture number 2 and homework also 2. And our today's topic lesson 1 SQ, that is short question 1 and 2. Short question 1 and 2. Now let's begin our class. First questions. Our first question is what is environment? Our home, school, mosque, temple, church, playground, park, roads, everything, whatever we use in our everyday life are called environment. Okay, dear learners, I repeat this question answer again. What is environment? Environment is our home, school, mosque, temple, church, playground, park, roads, everything whatever we use in our everyday life are called environment. Okay, now let's move on. Second question. Our question number 2 is what is natural environment? You know that learner, what is our natural environment? Natural environment are made of nature, that is natural environment. So things made of nature are called natural environment. Water, air, sunlight, tree, animals, river, hills and mountains are the elements of natural environment. Okay, now I repeat this question answer. Question number 2, what is natural environment? Things made of nature are called natural environment. Water, air, sunlight, tree, animals, river, hills and mountain are the elements of natural environment. Okay, dear students, your homework number 2, SQ2, what is natural environment? That is your homework. You don't need to do your homework question number 1. You do your only question number 2, what is natural environment. Short question to your homework. Okay, what is natural environment? Okay, dear learners, hope understood today's topic. Submit your homework on your due time on your school campus. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.